Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a DevOps School's flagship certification program in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@DevOpsSchool.com. Next question is how to create Docker image. That is a question. How to create Docker image. So if you remember that Docker image which I said, what is Docker image? Docker image is a collections of file system. File system. When I say file system means what collections of file system means, it has a root file system plus user file system plus, and then you have application file system. Okay, so this application file system you can have multiple. For example, let me put it up in this way. I'll explain you in a simple way. Okay, so understand this way. So this is the C drive. Okay, and the C drive, your manager said, hey guys, can you take a C drive daily backup? So what you did, first day you take a full backup, then second day you take it only incremental backup, and the third day you take it again incremental backup. Incremental is only changes, and fourth only again changes. So here in this you have only the change file, only the delta here, only the delta, and here you have a base. Correct now?
Hey, are you speaking?
Yes, yes.
So now if my manager asks me, okay, if my manager asks me, hey Rajesh, can you give me the backup of C drive up to 3 days? This is the one. So that means this will come, this will come, this will come. If it's up to 2 days, then this will come. Very simple logic.
Yes.
So now coming back to the Docker image, is having nothing but a file system. So here, this is the one file system, root file system, on top of something else, top of something else, something else. This file system, what do we call it? You know, we call it layer. What do we call it? Layer. Do you want to see the layers here? Let me show you. So Docker images, I have a two image, right? HTTP and Ubuntu. Let me see how many layers you have. So Docker inspect 1, 2, 3 to 5 layers you have. Is stored somewhere. Let me show you here that also. var lib docker overlay 2. This is the place is being stored. See that? This one, this one. These all are layers, different layers of the image and containers. Okay, so like this. So these all are layers, we call it. These all are file system. How many containers running? Right now, my God, so many containers running. So let me stop and remove all the containers. I want to show you the clean backup. Docker stop and remove containers. So the command is this command will stop all the containers, and this command will remove all the containers in one go. See here. Now if you see, these are the things which you see is from this layer file system, HTTPD and Ubuntu. These are the, so 1, 2, 3, all these are layers actually. If you go inside the layers, see here, these are the diff directory, and inside that, see, have you seen this place somewhere? Have you seen this place somewhere?
Let's Ubuntu.
It's a root file system, right? Yeah, root file system. So this is the one. So here, these are the layers we call it. here we have this is one image, okay, and this is the layers, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, 4 layer. So here you have a base file system, and here Apache, Tomcat, MySQL, whatever you want to keep it is up to you. You can keep it everything in one layer also, but to have a proper planning and all, we keep it in a different layers. So image is a consist of layer. Okay, images consist of layer means file system. So each layers you have. Ubuntu, let me show you how many layers you have. Only one layer you have. Okay, so like that. So now the question is, what happens? You know what? When you create an image, sorry, when you create a container, what happens? This all layer, mind it, very important statement. This all layer get merged into one layer, and that get attached to the container. So here all the time I've been telling you, one mount attached to the container, one mount attached to the container. See here, mount. This is nothing but the merge layer only. How can I see this merge layer mount gets attached to the container? So let me show you here. So right now there is no container. So Docker run -itd Ubuntu or HTTPD. HTTP have multiple layers, right? So IT is not required for HTTP. See here, this container is running right now, and df-kh. See that. This is the merge layer. Whatever you have inside it, you will see inside a container. You create one more container, one more mount. See. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, this image has a multiple file system. These all we call it layer in Docker. When you create a container, all layer merge together, become a merge layer, and that get attached to the container. Understood, all of you? All of you?
What is the df-kh? What do you use it for?
DF means it will show you your mounts on your base machine.
Okay. Okay.
So now the question was how to create an image. So here what to do? We can create an image using existing container, and you can create an image using Docker file. Both the way I'll teach you. Just focus on it. So my manager came to me and said, Rajesh, you need to create an image. I said, yes, I will create. He said, okay, do one thing, use the base Ubuntu, on top of that add Apache, and top of that Git, top of Java and all, and then that will create, give me that image. So I said, okay, I will give it to you. The image which have a Java also, Git also, Apache also, and Ubuntu base. So he said how much time it will take. I said only 5 minutes. So let me create it. So first I need one container. So Docker PS. I'm not using, I don't have any Ubuntu container. So Docker run -itd Ubuntu. I create one base container from base image. Right now you see for your Docker PS. Here is a container. So container I created, which is this one. Now I want to go inside it and install this. So Docker exec-it and container it and bin bash. I am going inside it. It's a Ubuntu container. So apt will work, yum will not work. So what to do? First thing, Apache. So yum, apt. I know the command, so I'm running it. Apache 2. It's not installing, the package is not there. What to do? Update the container. I'm updating the container because lightweight containers image were there. So now I'm updating the container.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Done. And after that, I will install the Apache. Manually also you can copy and all stuff like that. You can do that. But
Raj, a quick one before you continue.
yeah.
Sorry, that where you use apt-get, can one just use apps instead of apt-get?
Apt also you can use it. Earlier we were using apt-get. I got used to it. Nowadays apt also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is almost similar to when you are installing on Linux.
Yum.
Yes.
Yeah. So here apt-get, what can I validate which Apache 2? I'll validate whether it's got installed or not. See, Git is there, not there. What to do? Apt install
Install
Git.
Git.
Yes.
Oh,
So first done, second I'm getting done. Git is there. Yes, there. Now last one is Java. So Java, the package name is Java install. Package name is 911. So this one. Okay, install the package. So yes, in this container, I install the everything what my manager asked me. Okay, so container has everything. Now I have to commit that. Just wait for a few seconds. Java will take
well,
few
can it
seconds.
be automated? Can the process be automated? Can the process be automated? The installation, can it be automated?
So first you need to learn manual process, no? So using container,
Okay.
then I will teach you automation. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we have our own application, like, these are all like standard third party, right? So if we have our own application, how would we add it to this container?
Copy file this inside that. I can help you to copy. Let me copy in the other console. So here that is busy. So root Rajesh 123 Docker PS. This container, right? Docker copy CP. What you want to copy by the way? I want to copy this SSH file. So Docker CP. For everything there is a command. Inside this and TMP location I copied. Problem. TMP locations Docker exec and this container ID ls TMP. See, got it? All thing possible. Okay, I'm just teaching you so you get fear out of it. Okay, so Java is already installed, right? So now it's done. My manager asked me all this thing done, and what to do? I will go and exit and Docker PS. This container I have everything. So Docker exec container ID, Git is there, yes. Java is there, yes. Apache is there, yes. Everything is there. What to do? Now create an image using this. So here Docker commit. This is the command. Don't remember command. Understand the concept. Okay, use command. I'll give you copy paste and recordings also. So Docker commit. Who are you? Why you are committing? This has update also, and so 1.2 by the way. It has update also, Git also there, Apache also there, and what else I installed? Java. This is that message. Okay. Who are you? Rajesh Kumar. Which container you want to commit? This container. What name you want to give it? This name only I'll give it. Enter. This spelling mistake. See where is the problem? Here is the problem. So image is ready now. Image is ready now. Wait for a few seconds. Docker images see that base image which I used, it was 77 MB, and it's a huge size actually.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.